How to fix TikTok unable to authorize? Please try again later. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if you're facing the problem where you are not able to authorize your TikTok and it says try again. But before we do that, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. Alright, let's begin. So the first thing that you want to make sure is that you have a stable internet connection, and if you are using mobile data, you might want to switch to Wi-Fi network because that is more reliable. Or if you're having trouble on your Wi-Fi network, try switching to mobile data. And after that, most of the cases, your problem should be fixed. But if it's still not fixed, go ahead and open up your TikTok's app info. And from here, you just want to clear all of the junk files. So go ahead and click on storage. And from here, you can clear cache. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on permissions and make sure all of these permissions are turned on for your app to run smoothly. Now, from here, you just want to head over to battery and then tap on unrestricted, because if the phone has set your battery to restricted, then the app won't be able to function properly and it will show you some glitches and bugs like that. Once you do this, just give your phone a quick restart and you should be good to go. I hope you found this helpful and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.